Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at the airport. In today's story, you will follow Ken on his very first solo trip abroad. He feels nervous at the airport, but along the way, he meets someone kind. Through this story, you will learn useful and natural English expressions for traveling. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand the story more deeply. Here is today's question. What is Ken's group number for boarding? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Hi there. Are you in this line?
Oh yes, I am. Is this the line for the check-in counter?
Yes, it is. I think this is the right one.
Good. I was not sure. This is my first time flying alone.
Really? That is exciting. Where are you going?
I am going to Vancouver. Are you going to Vancouver too?
Yes, I am. I'm going to Vancouver for a vacation.
Oh, really? That is great. What time is your flight?
It leaves at 2:30.
2:30. Me too. What is your flight number?
AC 205.
Wait, that is my flight. We are on the same flight.
What a coincidence.
I know. By the way, my name is Ken.
Nice to meet you, Ken. I'm Ellie.
Nice to meet you too, Ellie. So, if you like, we can go together until we board. I'm a little nervous.
That sounds nice. I would be happy to go with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel much better.
No problem. We can do it together.
Great. Oh, the line is moving now.
Yes, let us get ready. Do you have your passport and your ticket?
I have my passport right here, and my boarding pass is on my phone.
Perfect. That is all you need.
Good. I'm glad I met you, Ellie. This is already easier.
You're doing great, Ken.
Do you fly often, Ellie?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a year. It gets easier every time.
2 or 3 times a year? That sounds like a lot to me.
After this trip, you will want to fly again soon. Trust me.
I hope so. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the check-in is done. What do we do next?
Now we go to the security check. We need to go through that line over there.
I see. Is it difficult?
No, it is easy. Do not worry. I will explain everything.
Thank you. I am a little nervous about this part.
I understand, but it is very simple. First, we usually need to take out our laptops from our bags.
Take out our laptops? Why?
They need to check them separately, so you put your laptop in a different tray.
Okay, I can do that. What else?
Do you have any liquids in your bag, like water or shampoo?
I have a small bottle of shampoo.
If it is a small bottle, it is usually okay, but you should put it in a clear plastic bag.
Oh, I did not know that. I do not have a plastic bag.
Do not worry. They sometimes have them near the security area. We can ask.
Okay, thank you. What about my phone and my wallet?
It depends on the airport. Sometimes you can leave them in your bag. Sometimes they ask you to put them in the tray.
Okay, I will just follow the signs and do what they say.
That is a good idea. And then you put your bag on the belt.
Put my bag on the belt. Okay, I understand.
Then you walk through the gate. If the machine beeps, a staff member may check you, but that almost never happens.
That sounds simple. I feel better now.
See? It is easy. You will be fine.
Thanks, Ellie. I'm really glad you're here.
Happy to help. Okay, it's almost our turn.
Okay, I am ready. Let's do this.
That is the spirit. Just follow my lead.
Next, please. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please put your bag here on the belt.
Sure. Like this?
Yes, that is good. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I do. I will take it out.
Please put it in a separate tray.
Here you go.
Do you have any liquids?
Yes, I have a small shampoo. It is in this plastic bag.
That is fine. Please put it in the tray.
Sure.
Now, please take off your jacket and put it in the tray.
My jacket too? Okay.
Yes, please. And do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, I have some coins. Let me put them in the tray.
Good. Now, please step forward through the gate.
Okay.
You are good to go. No problems.
Oh, great. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Next, please.
We made it. That was not so bad.
I told you, you did great.
Thanks to you. So this is our gate, right? Gate 12?
Yes, gate 12. We have about 40 minutes before we board.
Good. Let us sit down. I want to relax a little.
Me too. So, Ken, what are you going to do in Vancouver?
Well, I want to visit Stanley Park. I heard it is very beautiful.
Oh, yes, Stanley Park is amazing. I went there last year.
Really? What did you like about it?
I loved the seawall. You can walk or ride a bike along the water. It is so peaceful.
That sounds wonderful. I also want to try some local food.
You should try the salmon. Vancouver has great seafood.
I love salmon. I will definitely try it. What about you? What are you going to do there?
I want to visit Granville Island this time, and I want to do some shopping.
Granville Island. What is that?
It is a big market by the water. They sell fresh food, art, and many handmade things.
Oh, I would love to go there too. How long are you staying?
About 1 week. How about you?
I'm staying for 5 days. So, Ellie, how do you spend your time on the plane? I never know what to do.
I usually watch movies on the plane. On many flights, they have a screen in front of you with a lot of movies.
Oh, that is nice. I think I will try that.
You should, and you can also listen to music or sleep. What do you usually do on the plane?
Well, this is my first long flight, so I do not know yet.
You will enjoy it. Just relax and watch a movie.
I will do that. Oh, by the way, how does boarding work? Do we just go when they call us?
Usually, they call your group number or your row number. Then you line up and show your boarding pass.
Where is the group number? Is it on my boarding pass?
Yes, look at your boarding pass. Can you see where it says group?
Oh, I see it. Group 3.
I'm also group 3, so we will board at the same time.
Okay, that is easy. I think I can do that.
Of course you can. You're doing really well today, Ken.
Thank you, Ellie. You helped me a lot. I really mean it.
It was my pleasure. I had fun talking with you.
Me too. I hope you have a wonderful trip.
You too, Ken. Maybe we will meet again somewhere.
That would be nice. I hope so. Enjoy Vancouver, Ellie.
You too. Have a great trip, Ken.
Excuse me, is this seat 18A?
Let me check. Yes, 18A is the window seat, right here.
Great, thank you. Can I put my bag here, in this space above?
Yes, you can put your bag in the overhead bin. Let me help you.
Thank you very much. It is a little heavy.
No problem. There you go. Is this your first time on this airline?
Yes, it is. Actually, this is my first long flight.
Oh, how exciting! Well, if you need anything, please press the call button.
The call button. Okay, is it this one?
Yes, that is the one, but please do not press it now.
Of course not. I was just checking. Thank you.
You are welcome. We will be taking off soon. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, all done.
Perfect. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Hello again. Would you like something to drink?
Oh, yes, please. May I have some water?
Of course. Would you also like coffee or tea?
I will have coffee, please.
Sure. With milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, please.
Here you go. Water and coffee with milk.
Thank you very much. Oh, excuse me. One more question. How long is the flight?
The flight is about 9 hours. We will arrive in Vancouver at around 10 in the morning, local time.
9 hours. Okay, that is a long time.
Yes, but we have many movies and music for you, and we will serve dinner later.
That sounds nice. I will watch some movies.
We also have some games and a map that shows where the plane is right now.
Oh, a map. That sounds interesting. I want to see that.
You can usually find it on the screen. Just touch the screen and look for the map.
Great. Thank you. I will try that.
If you need anything, just let me know.
I will. Thank you for being so kind.
My pleasure. This is my favorite part of the job. I like talking to passengers.
Well, you were very good at it. Thank you again.
Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your flight.
Wow, we are finally here. Vancouver.
Oh, it is you again, Ken.
Ellie, what a surprise. I cannot believe it.
I am glad to see you again. How was your flight?
It was really good, actually. I watched 2 movies and slept a little. How was your flight?
Mine was good too. I watched a movie and read a book. I am a little tired though.
I am tired too, but I am so excited to be here.
Me too. So, what are your plans now? Are you going to your hotel?
Yes, I will go to my hotel first and rest a little. Then maybe I will walk around the city. What about you?
I am also going to my hotel first. Then I want to go to the waterfront.
The waterfront? What is there?
There are nice restaurants and a beautiful view of the mountains and the ocean.
That sounds amazing. Are you traveling alone, Ellie?
Yes, I'm traveling by myself. What about you, Ken? Are you alone too?
Yes, I am also traveling alone. This is my first solo trip.
Your first solo trip? That is brave.
I do not feel very brave. I still feel nervous about many things.
You are braver than you think. You made it all the way here.
That is true. And I had your help at the airport, so that made it easier.
Well, I was thinking, since we're both here alone, why don't we explore the city together, at least for today?
Really? You want to spend the day together?
Yes, I think it would be more fun. And we're friendly already, right?
That is true. We talk very easily. That sounds perfect. I would love to.
I'm glad you said yes. I was a little worried you would say no.
Say no? Of course not. You're the best partner for today.
That is so kind of you to say. Okay, so where should we go first?
How about the waterfront? You said you wanted to go there.
The waterfront. Yes, that is a great idea. We can have lunch there too.
Perfect. Let us pick up our bags here first and then head to the city together.
Yes, I'm so happy right now. This trip is already amazing.
Me too. I think this is going to be the best trip ever.
It's just the beginning, Ken. The best part is coming.
You are right. Okay, let us go. Vancouver, here we come.
Here we come.
How was it? I hope this story helped you improve your English. You followed Ken from the check-in counter all the way to Vancouver. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is Ken's group number for boarding? Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even one short sentence is perfect. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English much faster. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories for beginners and lower intermediate learners. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I recently started Super Thanks. If this video helped you and you would like to support the channel, I would really appreciate it. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!